Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Makhalia, aka Dipped in Chocolate. Please subscribe, like up the video, turn on your post notification bell. Comment down below your feedback, positive feedbacks only. And persons, don't forget to check out my social media down in the description below. And big up Kiki and big up Shanti. So this video is based on getting to know Makhalia. So the first question is, what is your name? Like, y'all don't know my name. My name is Makhalia Spalding. Alright, the second question is my obsession. I am obsessed with seafood. Like, a girl love her some seafood. My favorite artist, third question is my favorite artist. My favorite artist is Jada Kingdom, Skilly Bang, Popcorn, and Alkaline. I have 4 favorite artists. What encouraged you to do YouTube? People, the amount of things go on in my head, me have to express it. Me have to express it on some social media site because I don't know, like, I just sit down and I just start med something. I just say, yo, I need to express myself, need to make people know what go on in my head because I'm full of vibes and everything, so why not make a YouTube channel? Where do you see yourself 5 years from now? 5 years from now, maybe I gonna have my own business, like some skincare product, some ear product for natural hair, something believe some I gonna do some entrepreneur something. Or in school. You know me, Miss a schoolie. What is your biggest disappointment? My biggest disappointment is the person that I thought would have been here for me, they are not. So I'm disappointed in the persons who are supposed to be here for me right now. My question is, if you could eat something for the rest of your life, what would it be? Seafood! People, what's going on? Alright, and the last question is, what do I eat the most? Me eat when you call me and I'm come to you and say, never mind. Don't do that. Don't do that. Girl will get grimy. You call me now. And me take my time out of my time, you know, and come to you, you know, and you come tell me, never mind.
Why you do it, John Crow?
Me get grimy. So people, thank you for watching my YouTube video. Please share it. Yes, when I like the video, it will go share all over YouTube. So please like it. Please comment your positive feedbacks. Please subscribe, turn on the notification bell. Follow all my social media down below in the description, and just have a wonderful day, and just know, say, self-care the best care, and anyhow you believe in yourself, if nobody tell you, you don't care, and just love you, right? That's all.